Good evening everyone. Welcome to my class. This class I will solve few important problem based on the topic trigonometry. This is the second class in trigonometry. Those who are not watched the first class trigonometry, you can see the first class, then later you can solve the problems based on the second class. Okay, this is the trigonometric second class. Once again, good evening everyone. Today I am going to solve few important problems based on the topic trigonometry. Okay, let us discuss the first question. This is the homework problem I given in the last class. I don't know how many you solve the problems or not. Okay, we will discuss this problem. Yes, evaluate sine 70 degree divided by cos 20 degree plus cosecant 36 degree divided by secant 54 degree minus 2 cos 43 degree cosecant 47 degree divided by tan 10 degree tan 40 degree then tan 50 degree tan 80 degree. Then here when you are evaluating like this problem, you have to convert it will be in the one form. Okay, then it will get cancelled, then you will get the final answer. Then in this one you can convert even sine into cos or cos into sine based on the complementary angle. You know sine, you know the formula, sine 90 minus theta, it will be cos theta, then cos 90 minus theta, it will be sine theta. Use the complementary angle property here to either you convert sine to cos or cos to sine, any one term you can convert, then it will get cancelled, then you will get the answer. Then here I will do all the conversion here, then later I will solve the problem. Use the concept here, complementary angle. These two, sine cos cosine, these two trigonometric ratios we will consider as a complementary angles. Okay, then here first I will take sine 70. Okay, this we can write it as cos 90 minus theta, means cos 90 minus 70 degree. Okay, cos 90 degree minus 70 degree, everything it will be in the degree. Then you will get here cos 90 minus 70 degree, it is nothing but cos 20 degree. Otherwise I will write here only. Yes. Okay, next I will move to the next one. This conversion over. Next, consider cosecant 36 degree. This is sine 70 degree. Cosecant 36 degree. This it will be equal to complementary angle secant 90 minus 36 degree. Secant and cosecant, these are the complementary pairs. Those who are there in the live, please tell me, then I can see. Those who are there in the live, tell me hi, then I will come to know who is there in the live. Okay, I am solving the problem based on the complementary angles. Then cosecant we can write it as secant 90 degree, 90 minus 36 degree is nothing but it will be equal to this, it will be equal to secant, how much, 90 minus 36 degree is secant 54 degree. Then one more here, convert one more, cos 43 degree, this one you can see the problem here, cos 43 degree, this one you can convert in terms of sine. Sine 90 minus theta, 90 minus 43 degree is nothing but sine 47 degree. Then one more conversion I need here, tan we can convert in the form of a cot. Okay, tan 10 you can convert in the form of a cot. Then reciprocal you will get cancel, then you can solve the problem. Then tan 10 it will be cot 90 minus theta means 90 minus 10 it will be cot how much 90 minus 10 it will be cot 80. Then next conversion tan 40 this it will be equal to cot 90 minus 40 is nothing but cot 50 degree. Don't forget to write the degree here. Okay, then here see why I consider the yes Uma, good evening. Why I converted here the complementary angles means the complementary angles easily you can cancel, easily you can solve the problems. When you see the problems only, you will come to know which are the complementary angles. See, sine, cos complementary angles, then cosecant, secant complementary angles, then tan, cot complementary angles. If you want to solve like this problems, then in your mind it will come. How we will know whether this problem is based on the complementary angle or not? See the problem, it is a combination of complementary angle. Then based on the complementary angles, you can solve the problem. Yes, Uma, this one I given in the last class as the homework problem, or you solved the problem, this one. If you know, tell me the answer, what answer you got here. Then here, use one more concept here, sine theta complementary angle, the product of complementary angle is always 1. Then tan theta into cot theta, this also it will be 1. Then secant theta into cosecant theta, this also it will be 1. Always complementary pair. Okay, it will get cancelled. The product of the complementary pair is always 1. Then what are the values we find out? Substitute here in this question, substitute, then you will get the answer. Okay, I will substitute here. Then no need to write the question once again. Otherwise I will write the question. Okay, it will waste of time. Okay, I will substitute here. Then first one, sine 70 I converted as cos 20 divided by cos 20. Then here secant 54 degree, it will be secant 54 degree. Everything I converted. Yes, good evening Smita, good evening. Or you got this one answer? Last class I given this one as a homework. 2 sine 47 degree into cosecant 47 degree divided by cot 80 degree into cot 50 degree into degree I have to write. Then next one, tan 50 degree into tan 80 degree. Yes Smita, are you got the answer? This one, in this one? Okay. Then here everything it will get cancelled. Cos 20 degree it will get cancelled. Then secant it will get cancelled. Already I wrote here the combination of sine and cos, it will be 1. Sine 45 degree it will be cos 20, it will be the combination. Then here everything it will get cancelled, you will get the answer 1. Then 1 plus 1 minus 2, your answer it will be 1. See here, 1 plus 1 minus 2. Then here secant and cosecant, wait 1 minute, cosecant secant. Okay, then here it will be cos 43 degree, it will be sine 47, then cosecant 47. Yes, everything it will get cancelled, then you will get the answer here 0. Okay, then cot product of this one is product of this one you will get 1 plus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, it will be 0. Okay, shall I move to the next question? Next question I will move. Understood everyone? Okay, trigonometric identities. I will solve the next problem, trigonometric identities. Yes. Okay, next problem. These are the trigonometric identities we will call. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, it will be 1. Then 1 plus tan square theta, it will be secant square theta. Then 1 plus cot square theta, it will be cosecant square theta. Use this one. Then based on this one, we can solve the remaining problem. Then let us solve the first problem here. Consider the next problem. Try to solve. Those who are there in the live, try to solve the problem. I will give 2 seconds time. Try to solve. Can you able to solve or not? Do it. Yes. Do it. Do it. Okay. I will solve the problem. Here, when you want to solve like this problem, take the reciprocal. Otherwise, take the conjugate. Not reciprocal. Take the conjugate. Okay. Here, when you see the problem only, you have to come to know. You have to take the conjugate. Then here, cosecant A minus 1 divided by cosecant A plus 1. Always the numerical term conjugate you have to take. Okay, this conjugate of this one is, conjugate is nothing but the minus sign. Okay, if plus sign is there in between the term, you have to take the minus sign. That one only we will consider as a conjugate. Okay, I will write what is mean by the conjugate. If you have 1 divided by a plus b, then take the conjugate of this one means you have to take the opposite sign. If plus, if it is there, then you have to consider minus. If minus is there, you have to consider the plus. A minus b divided by a minus b. Conjugate is nothing but opposite sign you have to consider. Understood now? Then plus cosecant A plus divided by cosecant A minus 1. Take the conjugate of this one, cosecant A. Here minus is there, then you have to take the conjugate plus 1 divided by cosecant A plus 1. I think those who are there in the live, try to solve. This is the easy problem. Multiply, you will get the answer. Then this one, it will be the same term. Then you can take the whole square. A into A, it will become square. Correct, no? Do it. Those who are there in the live, solve the problem. Then this one, it will be equal to cosecant A. Otherwise, I will write in the next slide. Otherwise, here it will get. Okay. Try to solve. Take the conjugate when you are solving. When you want to solve like this problem, you have to consider the conjugate. Then this cosecant A, two terms are repeated here. Then minus 1 whole square divided by this one, it will be in the form of a plus b, a minus b. This one, it will be in the form of a and a, same term, no? Then you can write a square. Then this one, it will be in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Then here, what is the formula for a plus b, a minus b? This, it will be equal to a square minus b square, no? Make use of this formula. Then this, it will be equal to cosecant square a minus 1. Correct, no? A square minus b square is nothing but cosecant square a minus 1 square is nothing but 1. But here you are having the square bracket plus here also same term. Then you will get cosecant a plus 1 whole square divided by this also it will be in the form of a minus b, a plus b. Then you will get cosecant square a minus 1. Now split the square root. These are the lengthy problem. Now only I am telling these are the little lengthy problem, but definitely these problems they will ask in the gpstr or even hstr also. They will give multiple choice. Even ctet definitely they will ask lengthy problem, they will ask in ctet. That's why better do the solve the problems. Then here remove the, you can square root is there, no, here square is there, square root is there, then it will get cancelled. Then cosecant a minus 1, then put the square root down. Square root is full means otherwise you can write here only, you can erase here only. I will split the square root, then you will come to know, it will be easy for you to understand, it will be easy. You can split the square root, okay, like this you can write, otherwise you will not get confused. Okay, then this it will be in the form of, then square root it will get cancelled. You know the formula, cosecant square a it will be equal to cot square a. Trigonometric identities I told, no, cosecant square a, this is the formula you have to remember. Cosecant square minus 1 it will be equal to cot square a. Otherwise cosecant square minus cot square it will be 1, anything you can consider. Plus here also square root and square it will get cancelled. Cosecant square a plus 1 divided by again cosecant square a minus 1 it will be equal to cot square a. Then you can take cot square a as the common, write this one as it is. Cosecant a minus 1 is this one, minus 1 plus cosecant a plus 1. You can take here cosecant square a is the common, no, you can consider as a LCM. Here also square root and square root it will get cancelled, you will get only cot a. Then here plus 1 minus 1 it will get cancelled. Then here cosecant a 1 plus 1 it will become 2 cosecant a divided by cot a. Okay, we can write it as cosecant a it will be equal to 2 into 1 by sin a, no, 1 by sin a. Then cot a it will be equal to cos a divided by sin a. Then sin a it will get cancelled. 1 by cos a it will be equal to 2, it will be equal to 2 secant a. Yes Uma, still you can simplify that one, 2 cosecant a divided by cot a. Still you can simplify cosecant a, you can write it as 1 by sin a. Then cot a you can write it as cos a divided by sin a. Then sin it will get cancelled. 1 by cos is nothing but 2 secant a. First only I am telling, today I am solving the lengthy problem because these problems are important. It will be easy, but I will write all the step because those they are learning trigonometry first time, easily they can understand. That's why later I will tell the shortcut also to identify, to find the, to solve the problem. But at least you have to know the concept how to solve the problems. Understood Uma? Smita went, she came to live, then she went. Okay, leave. Maybe she know the concept trigonometry, she know. That's why she went. Okay, leave. Okay, understood Uma? This is the easy problem, no? When you see the problems like this, okay, here we proved 2 secant a. When you see the problems like this, like plus or minus is there, same terms are there, I am telling the trick how to solve the problems. Because what will happen, trigonometry, when you are solving, you will feel it will be easy, we can solve the problems. But in the exam, when you see the terms, you will get confused whether we have to use the, which concept we have to use, how to solve. When you are having the same terms here, cosecant same terms, plus or minus sign is there, then in your mind you have to think, you have to use the conjugate method you have to use. Then take the conjugate, then solve, you will get the you can easily solve the problem. Yes, now correct? Now what I am telling Uma, that is correct. Trigonometry problem, these problems are sin cos v. If you know the formula, yes, we easily we can solve. Some they will think like that, but in the exam they will get confused, they are not able to solve the problem. That little tricky, you have to solve, you have to practice the problem. Then here also see, same sin cos, at least combination of terms are there, sin cos, here also sin cos plus minus signs are there. Here also we will use the concept conjugate. Okay, then later we will prove whether 2 divided by sin square a minus cos square a. Uma, you are there in the live now, at least try to solve whether you will get the answer or not. I will solve, but don't see, you try to solve yourself. Use the conjugated method. Okay, sin a plus cos a, then divided by sin a minus cos a into, take the conjugate of this one, means take the positive sign, sin a plus cos a divided by sin a plus cos a, plus write as it is. Then here also sin a minus cos a divided by sin a plus cos a into sin a minus cos a. Take the conjugate and solve. Sin a minus cos a. In hstr no need to write all the steps. Okay, in gpstr you have to write the step. In hstr no need to write the step. Directly you can do it. In the mind you have to do it. See, when you are having same terms, sin a plus cos a whole square, instead of writing whole square, here only you can split, but I am explaining now, that's why each and every step I am doing. Then here this one, it is in the form of a minus b, a plus b means a square minus b square, sin square a minus cos square a. Then here also this, it will be in the form of sin a minus cos a whole square, then down it will be sin square a minus cos square. No need to write the steps in hstr, directly you can simplify within the step, you can do it. Then split, here same LCM you can write only one time. This it will be in the form of a plus b whole square, split. Okay, this it will be in the form of a minus b whole square, split you will get. Okay, then a square means sin square a plus cos square a plus 2ab. 2ab means sin a cos a plus this, it will be in the form of a minus b whole square means sin square a plus cos square a minus 2 sin a cos a divided by, LCM is same now, that's why I can write only one time. LCM is same, therefore here the LCM is sin square a minus cos square a. Then here 2 sin a minus 2 sin a, it will get cancelled. Then here the terms are repeated. No, can I take 2 as 2 sin square a plus 2 cos, here only you can take 2 as a common, but I am writing one more step, that's why I am lengthy, in detail I am solving the problem. At least those they will learn first time, no, then they don't have any confusion. Take it 2 as a common, sin square a plus cos square a divided by sin square a minus cos square a. You know trigonometric identities. In the beginning only I told the formula, sin square a cos square a, its value is 1. The value of sin square a plus cos square a, it will be this value, it will be 1. Then 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 divided by sine square A minus cos square A. Are you feeling bored, Uma? I am explaining each and every steps. Okay, do it. Very easy problem. You have to take the conjugate when you want to solve like this problem. What happened here? Okay, it is there, but live, no, that's why downloading it is taking time. This also same, this also same, this also same. You are having sine cos combination, then plus and minus is there. Here also you have to use the conjugated method. Do it, try at least. Then you have to prove 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Lengthy problem, beginning only I told. Today I will solve lengthy problem. That's why I will not take more problems. I will solve at least 6 to 7 problems. Later tomorrow I will take some more set of difficult problem. Okay. Then take the conjugate here. No need to take the conjugate here. See here you can take the conjugate, but here they are asking the different terms. In the last 2 problems they are asking the answer common as the question, same terms. Here see, here also in the answer you are having same terms, like sine cos is there. Here also in the question sine cos is there. Answer also it will be in the form of sine cos. Then last what we solved, that is the secant, at least near, otherwise the reciprocal. But here completely different they are asking the problem here. Completely different. See the answer. See, sine cos, we don't have any relation between secant and tan. Correct now? In this one, what we have to do, we have to try to convert sine cos theta in terms of secant and tan theta. Okay. Then here sine is there. See, I will write here tan theta. We know the formula, sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay. Then secant theta it will be equal to 1 divided by cos theta. That make use of this one, easily you can solve that one. Okay, better we will use that one. If I write both you will get confused. Then here tan is there, secant is there. Then both also divide throughout the equation, both numerator and denominator by cos theta. Why cos theta means here tan theta it will be sin theta divided by cos theta, but here you are having only sin theta, we don't have cos theta. That's why divide both numerator and denominator, by cos theta, both the term, numerator denominator, then value it will not change. Okay, then sin theta, all the terms you have to divide by cos theta minus cos theta divided by cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. Okay, then next even numerator also you have to divide by cos theta, then sin theta divided by cos theta plus here you can write it as 1, but I am writing one more step, minus 1 divided by cos theta. I will write secant theta, it will be equal to 1 by cos theta. We will use the formula, these two formula we will use here. Then now substitute, simplify now. In place of sin theta divided by cos theta, substitute tan theta, then cos it will get cancelled, then we will get the value 1 plus 1 divided by cos theta is nothing but secant theta divided by, here again sin by cos is tan, then cos theta it will get cancelled, 1 minus 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Still we not got the answer. We have to prove 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Then what we have to do in the next step, you know, 1, okay, 1 we can, this 1 we can write it as Yes, this one we can write it as secant square theta plus tan square theta. This it will be 1. In place of 1, substitute secant square theta plus tan square theta. In the numerator, up write as it is. In the denominator, write as it is tan theta plus secant theta. It will be minus 1. Simply I alter the terms. Then here take tan theta minus secant theta. Otherwise better I will write 1, then taking common it will be easy. I will convert. In place of 1 I will write the identity. You know the formula. Tan square theta, it is not writing only. Okay, 1 minute. Tan square theta plus secant square theta, it will be equal to 1. In place of 1 substitute tan square theta plus, otherwise I will write, yes, both also secant square theta plus tan square theta, both the values are 1, but taking common better write 1 secant. Okay, next secant square theta plus tan square theta, it will be 1. In place of 1 I substituted here. Then this I will take minus as the common here, otherwise I will write in the next step, you will get confused. I wrote as it is. Okay, next step I will take minus sign common. If I take here, someone they will get confused. Understood, Uma, this step? First I wrote as it is tan theta plus secant theta minus 1. So I interchange the terms, that's all. In place of 1, you know the formula, tan square plus secant square theta, it will be 1. In place of 1 I substituted the value. Then minus secant theta, tan theta, this tan theta I wrote as it is. Next step I will take the minus sign common. Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by this, I will write as it is tan square theta. Then here I will take minus sign. If I take minus sign outside, then secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, here only I can take minus, but I wrote one more step. Here I took minus as the common, then secant theta, then here if I take minus outside, then plus, it will become minus tan theta. Okay, then one more step, this it will be in the form of a square. 1 minute, this one no change. This one it will be in the form of a square plus b square. A square plus b square, this it will be equal to a minus b, a plus b. Right here secant theta plus tan theta, then secant theta minus tan theta, then this minus sign is there, then secant theta minus tan theta. Little lengthy problem, but if you practice the problem 1 or 2 times, it will be very easy. Okay, write this as it is, tan theta plus secant theta minus 1. But here which are the terms are common? This term is common, therefore secant theta minus tan theta, take it as outside as a common. Then if you take this one as a common, remaining is this one secant theta plus tan theta. If I take this one as an outside common, then minus 1 it will be there. Now you can cancel. Tan theta plus secant theta is there, tan theta secant theta minus 1 is there. These two terms it will get cancelled. Then your final answer 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Little lengthy problems, but if you practice the problems, it will be very easy. Okay, understood, Uma? Once again I will explain, because this is not lengthy, but you have, if you practice 1 or 2 times, it will be easy problem. Okay, 1 minute. Why it is blur? One minute. Some, okay, to load it, it will take time because live, no, that's why to load it is taking more time. Otherwise if I touch something then it will disturb. Okay, then listen here, listen here. See here you have to prove secant theta 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta, you have to prove here. Then here whatever the question you have, that one you have to convert in terms of tan and secant. Then how you will convert, you have to divide numerator and denominator by cos theta throughout all the terms, numerator, the denominator. Then you will get tan theta minus 1 plus secant theta, tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. Now next step what you have to do, in place of 1 substitute tan square theta plus secant square theta is 1, substitute here. Now this one it will be in the form of a square plus b square. Next step what you have to do, you have to split in terms of a plus b and also in terms of a minus b. In the next step, this term is the common. I have to use the another color, then maybe those they will see the recorded class, they will come to know. This term, otherwise this term, it will be common. Take this term outside common. Then remaining it will be secant theta plus tan theta, this one. Then here nothing is there means minus 1. Then these two term, equal term, they will get cancelled. Then your answer 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Understood, Uma? I think you are not asking any doubt means you are following. I am also feel very bad. If I take the live, only one person is there. I don't know why the students they lost their concentration. I don't know why. 1 plus, next try to solve the next problem. 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a. Here also you are having the combination of secant and tan. Here also take the conjugate, then easily you can solve the problem. Okay, sometime conjugate it will work, sometime you have to divide. Okay, take the conjugate and solve, Uma. 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a, take the conjugate. Here the conjugate it will be 1 plus sin a, then 1 minus sin a. Then here you are having square, it will be under the square root. Okay, I will draw neatly. It will be under the square root. Then split the square, 1 plus sin a whole square, split the square, then square root, next one it will be 1 square minus sin square. Now use the identity formula. You know sin square theta plus cos square theta, it will be 1. In place of 1 minus sin square a, this it will be equal to cos square a. Then remove this 1, you will get 1 plus sin a under the square root of, I will write the square root here, cos square a. In place of 1 minus sin square a, I can substitute cos square a, correct? No? Then here square root it will get cancelled. Then 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. Split this numerator, you can split as 1 by cos a plus sin a divided by cos a. Okay, proved, Uma, very good, very good. 1 by cos a is nothing but what? Secant a. Then sin a by cos a is nothing but tan a. Correct, no? Proved. Yes, very good. That is the answer we have to prove, secant a plus tan. Some problems it will be easy, some problems are lengthy, but don't get irritated because trigonometry, some problems it will be very lengthy. But once you started solving the problem, I am writing all the steps, no, that's why maybe it will be you will feel lengthy problems, but these problems are very easy. Okay. Then understood, Uma? Shall I move to the next? Here take the conjugate and use the trigonometric identities, use the formula. Mainly trigonometry you have to remember the formula. Then when you see the question only, how we will solve, you have to think in your own mind, how easily we can solve. Then this one you can solve based on convert tan theta in terms of, like this problem, convert tan theta, you can write it as sin theta divided by cos theta. Then in place of cot theta it will be cos theta divided by sin theta. Make use of that one, then solve. Easily you will get the answer. Little lengthy problem, but very important and easy. Okay, then in place of tan theta write sin theta divided by cos theta. Then 1 minus, in place of cot theta, cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, plus in place of cot theta, cos theta divided by sin theta. Then 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. For numerator, take the LCM. At a time don't solve, you will get confused. In trigonometry also, when you, some students what they will do, without writing the steps they will solve the problem, then later they will not get the answer. Okay, see here, take the LCM here. If you take the LCM, it will be sin theta minus cos theta, this divided by sin theta. If you clear, then you can skip the step, but you are learning, no, better write all the steps. Okay, then here take the LCM. 1 minus means cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Now you are having 4 numerator denominator, like 4 you will get confused. Better shift this numerator to denominator. When you are shifting, take the reciprocal of the lower one. I will write here sin theta divided by cos theta. Take the reciprocal of this one. When you are shifting numerator to denominator, we will take the reciprocal. Then sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Better I will put the bracket, otherwise you will get confused. Plus, not into, plus. Are you following, Uma? If you have any doubt in any step, you can ask me. If only one student also, don't worry, I will explain properly. If no one is there also, I will do cos theta by sin theta into, take the reciprocal of this one, then cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. At least those they are in live, you can interact with me. Those who are not, at least please see the recorded class, it will help definitely. Once the hstr notification comes, no, then everyone they will be in the hurry. We have to watch the class, we have to read everything. That time they will search my video, I know definitely. Then multiply here, you will get sin square theta. Okay, then here this one write as it is, later I will solve. Okay, cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta. See, listen here, Uma. Here I am changing the minus sign. Why I am changing the minus sign here? Because I will take the reverse of this one, sin theta, because I have to equate. Now here you are having sin theta minus cos theta. This cos theta minus sin theta, I have to write in the form of this one. Means if I take negative outside, then everything it will become ulta, no, sin it will become ulta. That's why sin theta minus cos theta. Here I took negative outside. Negative outside means plus it will become minus, minus it will become plus, then sin theta minus cos theta. To simplify, we have to do that alteration. Now you can see which one is common here. Here the LCM is, take the LCM throughout here. LCM is, what is the LCM here? Sin theta cos theta Then LCM is sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, take this is the LCM because these two terms are common. No? That's why I took the minus sign here. Otherwise, these two are not same. If we take minus sign outside, then sign it will become changed. Then easily we can take the LCM. That's why we consider the minus sign here. Sorry. Then consider if you consider this as the LCM, then remaining term in this case is sin is remaining, cos is there, sin square theta minus cos square theta is there, then remaining one is sin theta. Sin square theta into sin theta is nothing but sin cube theta. Again here it will become cos cube theta. Take the LCM. Then here you have to apply the formula. You know the formula, a cube minus b cube. Remember the formula, you know the formula. This it will be equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, in place of this one it will be in the form of a cube minus b cube. Then substitute, then this it will be equal to sin theta minus cos theta. Then a square means sin square theta means ab means sin theta cos theta plus b square means cos square theta. Understood, Uma? Here I took the, here I expanded in a cube minus b cube. The formula I expanded, then I got this one. Then remain down, write as it is. This is the LCM, no? Sin theta cos theta. This it will be equal to sin theta minus cos theta. Same terms you can cancel here. Same term you can cancel here. Sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta. Then in place of sin square theta, then cos square theta, we can substitute 1, no. Then here 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Lengthy problem but easy. Then once again split the term here. 1 divided by sin theta cos theta plus, I am writing all the step, sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta plus, sin theta into cos theta. Then this one it will get cancelled. Then you know 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta. Then 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta plus 1. What we need, that one we proved. Understood, Uma? Another one person is there in the live. I don't know who. Tell me hi, who is there in the live? Okay. Understood, Uma? Very easy problem. Little lengthy but easy. Okay. If you know, practice 1 or 2 times, then you will come to know how to solve. See here, tan we can convert in terms of sin theta by cos theta, cos theta by sin theta. Okay, substitute. Then here LCM, why I took minus sign as the common outside means I have to make the same terms. Okay, that's why I took minus as the out. Then here you have to expand in terms of a cube minus b cube. Use the formula. Okay, then same terms it will get cancelled. Then you know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta, it will be 1. Yes, Rajini, good evening. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, it will be 1. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, these two terms it will get cancelled. In this place is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Again split the term. Okay, sin theta by cos theta it will get cancelled. 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta. 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta. Almost one more problem is there, last problem. Then after that I will close the I will stop the class, okay, because I am solving too much lengthy problem. You will also feel bored if I solve same type of problem. Tomorrow I will come different types of problems in the trigonometry. I told now even word problems also I will solve, like building shadow problems also there. That problems are very important. That also I will solve. One more problem we will solve, okay. Then here also make use of that concept. We need cosecant and cot, no, that's why write the formula. Cosecant A, it will be equal to 1 by sin A. Then next one, cot A, you know the formula, cos A divided by sin. Make use of this one, then solve the problem. In place of cos, okay, then here we need cosecant, we need cot. We don't have in this one we don't have any format like cos A by sin A. Divide numerator and denominator by sin, because I need cosecant, I need even cot also, okay. Here I have only cos, I don't have divided by sin is not there, therefore divide throughout numerator and denominator by sin A. Then I will write the step here, cos A divided by sin A. All the terms you have to divide by, both numerator and denominator you have to divide with the same sign, 1 by sin A. Then next one, cos A by sin A plus sin A divided by cos A minus 1 divided by sin A, no. Practice the problem, then you will come to know. If you see the problem only in your mind, it will think how we can solve that one, okay. Solve the problem, practice the problem, not solve, practice the problem, okay. 1 divided by sin A, understood now? See, I need cot A, here cot A is there, I need the combination of cos A divided by sin A, I don't have. Then how we will get? Divide numerator and denominator by sin A. Then solve now. First, cos A by sin A is nothing but cot A. These two it will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 by sin A is nothing but cosecant A. Then next one, cos A by sin A is nothing but cot A. Sin it will get cancelled 1. Then 1 by sin A is nothing but cosecant A. Almost we are near to the answer. But here what we have to do, last problem I solved, no. In place of 1 you have to write cosecant square A minus cot square A. 1 is nothing but cosecant square A plus cot square A. Okay, I will take the terms here, cot A plus cosecant A minus 1. Otherwise we are having minus 1 here, no. In place of this minus 1, you know the formula, cosecant square A minus cot square A, it will be 1. Trigonometrical identities, okay. Then here in place of 1 we can write it as, right inside the bracket, okay, because you are having minus 1, that's why write inside the bracket cosecant square A minus cot square A. Why we need this one? Because we want to get the answer, this one cosecant A plus cot A, we need that answer. That's why we have to convert 1, in place of 1 we have to substitute trigonometrical identities, this formula we have to write, okay. Don't get confused, this is the formula. Then otherwise I will write in the different color, those they will see the recorded class, they will get confused. This is the formula. This it will be equal to 1. Okay. Then next step, what we have to do in the next step, write as it is, because cot A plus 1, don't convert this 1 to cosecant square minus cot square A. No need to convert. Minus cosecant A. Then this one, it will be in the form of A square minus B square, no? Then split cot A plus cosecant A. This it will be in the form of, I will write big bracket because I want to write two terms, cosecant A plus cot A. Next one, cosecant A minus cot A. No need to write both the bracket, but you will get confused. To avoid the confusion, I am writing divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Write as it is. Later it will get cancelled. That's why write as it is. Okay. Then here you can observe, I will change the color. Here you can observe same term, cot A, cosecant A positive. These are the same term. Then this one I can take it outside now. Easily I can take outside. Cot A plus cosecant A. If I take this one as the outside, then remaining it will be 1 minus cosecant A minus cosecant A minus cot A. Don't get confused, I am writing all the steps. Then cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Then remove this minus sign in the next step. Then both the terms it will get cancelled. Cot A plus cosecant A, this it will be remain. These two terms they will get cancelled. I am writing here, okay. 1 minus cosecant A minus into minus plus cot A divided by, here I can write this one as, write 1 is there minus cosecant A is there. I am shuffling the terms plus cot A. Okay. Then these two it will become same terms now. These two it will become same terms. Same terms, both they will get cancelled. Then your answer cot A plus cosecant A. What you got the final answer here. Uma Demi is Uma. This it will be useful now. At least what are the problems we solved here? Lengthy problems, but that problems are very important. These problems that definitely they will ask in the hstr and even gpstr also. Those you will see the recorded class. Please share the video to your friends. They will be make use of my videos, because those they are preparing ctet, tet, gpstr, hstr, whatever I am explaining the portion, that it will be helpful for them. Please share my video how much possible. Then please see the, at least those who are not there in the live, see the recorded class. Those who are free, you can join your live classes also. Then subscribe to my channel. At least you will get the notification once I start the live classes, because everyone I am not able to. Yes, Uma, is this useful? I don't know why so many they are not attending. Nowadays they will be free, but they lost their concentration. Okay, leave. Once the notification come, I know everyone they will search for my video only. Make use of the free time. Read, then you can achieve whatever you want in your life. Okay, don't lose your focus. Okay, thanks Uma. At least throughout 1 hour you are with me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. At least you are I have to tell thanks to you, because you are the only one from the beginning to end of the class. Almost 1 hour you are with me. Thank you. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Maybe tomorrow I am not able to take the class. Maybe I will take the class in next Monday. Okay. Thanks, Uma. Thanks, Uma. We will meet in the next class. Don't miss my class. Okay, I will give the link before the class. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, take care.